In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in Elementor. By the end, you'll have a clean, responsive image slider set up with the right settings and styling, ready to showcase your visuals beautifully on any page. First, open the Elementor editor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the page where you want the slider to appear and click Edit with Elementor. This loads the visual editor so you can work directly on the page layout. If you already have a section ready for the slider, great. Use that. If not, add a new section so you have a clear space to drop in the widget. Next, add the slider widget. In the Elementor panel on the left, use the search bar and type Image Carousel. This is the widget designed for simple, reliable sliders. Drag the image carousel into your section. You'll see a placeholder appear in the canvas, and the widget settings will open on the left. Now it's time to add your images. Click the plus icon labeled Add Images. Your media library will open, where you can select the photos you want to feature. Choose images that are consistent in orientation and size for the smoothest result. When you're done selecting, click Create Gallery, review the order, and then click Insert Gallery. Your images will load into the slider instantly. With the images in place, configure the slider settings. Set slides to show to choose how many images are visible at once. One for a classic hero slider, or more if you want a carousel effect. Adjust slides to scroll to control how many images move per swipe or click. Toggle autoplay on if you want the slider to advance automatically, and decide whether to enable infinite loop so it cycles continuously. Fine-tune speed and timing to balance smooth motion with readability. A moderate transition speed and a comfortable pause between slides generally work well. For navigation, choose arrows, dots, or both, depending on your design and accessibility needs. Arrows help with precise control, while dots give users a quick sense of how many slides there are. Finally, style it in the Style tab. Tweak arrow size and color so they're visible and easy to tap, with good contrast against your images. Customize the dot navigation style to match your brand, and adjust spacing between slides to create breathing room without breaking the layout. If you want softer edges, increase the image border radius for a subtle, rounded look that can tie in nicely with your site's design. That's it. Your Elementor image slider is set up, configured, and styled for a polished, professional presentation.